Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Fly it like you stole it.
So yes, today I
Have
flew.
fun.
So yes, shut up. Shut up. Oh, come on. Yeah, you are nasty. Freestyling. I am gonna enjoy. Beautiful. Whoo, that was close. But anyway, even if the quad is not in the beam area, how this baby is actually ripping, man. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. I'm gonna have another flight with my Eachine WildFire style, and this time I have put a Ye-Light camera. It has a stretch lens as well, but I'm hoping it will shoot better video compared to the Xiaomi E camera. So I'm gonna fly it with 6S, and at the same time the second flight testing of Foxeer WildFire with ORT dual shield patch antennas. Normally in this area I do not get very good video reception, just because something to do with lots of Wi-Fi's running around here, 5G towers around here, and lots of metal around here. So today I flew the Hey Tina.
Fly it like you stole it.
So yes, today I
Have
flew.
fun.
So yes, shut up. Shut up. Oh, come on. Yeah, you are nasty. I just flew the Hey Tina FPV Whoop or Cinewhoop, and honestly speaking, I've never had this solid reception before in this area, given that the video transmitter was set only on 25 milliwatt. WildFire plus ORT dual shield, they actually came off, they were hanging, but still I had the most solid reception ever. So I'm kind of enjoying the flights now, and that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna fly the Eachine WildFire.
Oh yeah, that was the right switch. Wicked.
I need more camera angle. This thing rips serious speed. Eachine WildFire is seriously a nice 6S FPV freestyling drone, and I definitely need more camera angle. Now behind me, you say, behind these ORT dual shield, these are patch antennas, I'm still having very good reception behind me. Normally in this area, really, I do not enjoy good reception, but today with WildFire from Foxeer and with ORT dual shield antennas, I am actually having sweet, lots of fun, man. For all my freestyling, I am gonna enjoy with WildFire today. Mild freestyling. I'm not gonna do some crazy freestyling. By the way, the original propellers were bad, very bad. I am running master air screw propellers now. They're absolutely nice. So I'm gonna turn my head here and my reception quickly gets beautiful. Whoo, that was close. Okay, where's the quad? It's high. It's really high, and that's where I was having reception glitches. I just had to stick my head higher. One thing that you might notice, oh, there's a bug, I have to leave the sticks. One thing you might want to notice, that when people fly, their head is hanging down like that. And having to have ORT dual shield, you see, now, oh, what a nice reception. With ORT dual shield, these are LHCP, right, and RSCP antennas. You have to stick your head high and point to the quad all the time in order to have good reception. But anyway, even if the quad is not in the beam area. Even if it is not in the beam of the dual shield antennas, I am still having superb reception, man. The reception with WildFire and these antennas is amazing. Why I'm not talking about AliShan Lao 5 is because you are watching how this baby is actually ripping, man. And one more thing, yes, it's basically like, you know, the same style like iFlight Nazgul 5 6S, but I can tell you, the same battery that I'm flying, Tattoo R-Line V1.0 1300 milliamp 6S, the same battery, I will not get more than 3 minutes. I will run out of battery very quick on iFlight Nazgul 5. But AliShan Lao 5 style is absolutely a very efficient. It's running a super efficient power combo that really I am enjoying longer flight times on using the same battery. Really, I can tell you, I'm doing these punches and everything and flying this much long time,
Things are about to get real.
and now, yeah, and now I'm getting low battery. See, that's what I'm talking about. AliShan Lao 5 is absolutely much more efficient quadcopter, FPV racing freestyle quadcopter compared to iFlight Nazgul 5. So yes, AliShan Lao 5 is absolutely my next super favorite quadcopter for FPV freestyling. One, it has plenty of power and punch. Two, it is very, very power efficient. With the same battery, I used to run out of this battery in 2 to 3 minutes on iFlight Nazgul, but this, I am enjoying the longer flight times and longer FPV freestyling on AliShan Lao 5. And that is why I say the Lao 5 is definitely going to be your next FPV freestyling quadcopter. If you're looking for 5-inch, a 6S quadcopter for your FPV freestyling. Well, now I'll put it down. I'm going to conclude with the antenna is again hanging. ORT dual shield and Foxeer WildFire with this bay, module bay design for Sky Zone or any other FPV video goggles. I'm gonna highly recommend you, because I never had this solid reception, this nice solid reception on my FPV quadcopters before in this area. Imagine other areas. I'm gonna have even better and more solid reception. I can even try a little bit longer range on these quadcopters now. I tested it properly today here in this area, and I'm really happy with the performance of Foxeer WildFire and the ORT dual shield antennas. I think I have got myself my perfect combo that I have been looking for a very long time. A solid and nice, unbreakable FPV reception and a powerful, efficient FPV freestyle quadcopter. Stay tuned for more videos. Next, I'm gonna definitely go dive that tall bridge. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button.